What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's been a long time since I've recorded or put out a video, but we are doing our giveaway for hitting 3,000 subscribers. We're about 380 right now, or 3,080. So we're going to be doing a lightweight or Gerzy Bear Performance lightweight pulley, and you guys voted on my Instagram. If you guys don't know, follow my Instagram right here. If you guys want to follow along and be active in what I'm going to be giving away and stuff like that, and you guys have options to choose. Like this one, I chose the color either gold or black is the options they have available for the Gerzy website for these new lightweight power steering pulleys, and you guys chose gold, so we're going to be giving away a gold one. I don't have it yet. Here is the actual picture right here on their website. The main question is for you guys. Let me know down in the comments below. Do you guys want me to do the raffle ASAP before you can get it? Because this pulley is a pre-order, so I don't have it yet. But it's going to probably be around August. Yeah, September or August. Which is about, basically, if you're seeing this video, it's going to be either I'm going to be getting it this month in August, or I'm going to get it next month in September. So, should I wait until I have the pulley in hand and then do the giveaway, or should I just go ahead and do the giveaway, which if I do ASAP for maybe next video or something, choose a winner, and when I get it, I'll ship it out to them. What would you guys prefer? Let me know down in the comments below. And but other than that, let's just get back into the video. Alright, we got Chance here. Welcome back to another video. We are actually doing some audio this time using the stock head unit. All you have to do is grab a high-low converter, your amp, a subwoofer, fattest wires in the world. I'm going to get this installed. I think the first thing we're going to do is this thing. This is like the first thing we're going to do. After that, we'll run the wires and then we'll show you that. We don't have a box yet, but maybe we could do some stuff.
Well, we're going to get a custom box that fits right in that little spot.
Hopefully.
What do you run these tires at? What PSI?
40, cool. 47 and like 45 in the front.
You don't do 50?
You can, but dude, this is a mean ass dress though. Look at that. Like, how is it even on there?
No bead seal?
No bead. Is it even hitting the bead?
No bead seal?
No. It's like these are brand new lift barrels, so yeah, you don't need no seal.
I know, because when I got mine rebuilt too, I was like, you want bead seals? Like, they're brand new barrels, so I don't think I'll need it.
Alright, we're gonna be doing beat, so let's pop this hood, the trunk. Alright, you know.
Oh, this like
this guy's
just looks like Jeffrey Dahmer was there.
Ah, look at someone's foot is in here.
Sorry, I don't fucking...
How long have these ships been here?
Sorry, I don't stand on a conveyor belt and fucking wait for cardboard to come my way.
Is that what you do?
No, yeah. Nah, the steel toe off my boot flew off.
Steel toe?
The little piece. But so much that I use it, like...
I don't even wear steel toe.
Screwdriver.
Why not?
Because steel can still be smashed by something that's heavy enough, and if it does, it shears all your toes off.
Yeah.
I'd rather just break a few toes, you know?
Nah, I'd rather just have them cut off. Okay, get it over with one shot.
We can cut something else off completely.
My cock?
Yeah, don't edit this out either. Whoa! Shit.
That would have been very bad.
Yeah.
Did you post it in the chat for sale?
No, dude.
Mythic's house always got a bunch of cars.
And then you post all the $100 bills. No headache shit, straight hundreds, damn. Was there 50 hundreds in there?
50 hundreds? Oh. 5 times 10, right? Yeah.
Because I waited, I didn't count it.
Is that really?
I waited.
Today we're going to be installing amp and sub. Oh, I guess he's already doing it.
Oh yeah, I've been here a couple days now.
Damn, where are you eating? Oh, these chips?
There's chips here.
Okay, okay.
Alright. It's my personal first time using converter thing. Usually I just have the radio people do it for me because I don't want to mess it up. So as far as I know, it's already been hacked up a little bit, but this runs through the speaker right here. We got power versus obviously red, and got the black one, which is most likely going to be a negative on the speaker. Since there's only one subwoofer here, we're going to be wiring the two positives, which is right positive and left positive. We'll put them together. This one is right negative and left negative. Put them together just because there's only one subwoofer. Or else you run it to two different subwoofers. So as far as I know, this is how you run it correctly. I don't think we're supposed to use anything else. They said you can ground this out if you are hearing some noises. We might just do that just to be safe. We'll ground it out, but other than that, I don't think we use anything else. I'm gonna go ahead and continue this, and I'll keep you guys updated. And we're still gonna run the wires. Yeah.
I say about like $7 grand.
Is that high or low for you?
No, it's a salvage title. You gotta think these things are like, what, 16 brand new, 17 with that kind of mileage?
I got it for $4,900 bucks.
I was close in the ballpark.
And why do speakers have them here and on this side?
But like, yeah.
Dual coil. It's just dual coil.
Yeah, you just hook them up black to black.
You just loop it. You know, like.
I heard it was one.
For?
I heard it was 1 ohm, 2 ohm, or some shit like that.
What? What? Is glue properly? You could tell if I'm a cheap speaker to a good one. Like, this is the weight on this. This is a good coil.
That thing's fucking heavy.
Anyways, we got the Kicker L7 10-inch. I forgot what it's called, but this is what we're gonna be installing. We're not gonna have a box yet, unfortunately, but by the end of the video.
Wait, it's 3, almost 4 pounds?
Yeah, I think that's a beefy one. That's why I said, like, that's a good quality speaker. We're gonna run the wires right now, and then we're gonna get back to the back of the little converter box we just put in just to see if it works. But for now, we're gonna do all the wiring. It's actually not that hard, just because we're not using the aftermarket head unit, so we're just running power and ground only, and the rest is going straight to the back. So let's get into it. Hit the camera.
Hello, white.
All right, we got the red. I guess the only one we got to do is just the red and blue, which is remote and power. This is the way he ran it up here, remote. And he literally ran it through the strut tower, which I never saw that before. But hey, if it works, it works. So it comes out from up here, which is pretty cool. I never do that.
And how long have these chips been in here?
I didn't know that was actually a spot, but yeah. So we got the power wire.
Are they still
here? And we're gonna keep going with the remote wire now. The only con with this right here is we have this one, which is the fork. We put that on this power right here. Since the ground doesn't have one, or it didn't come with 2 of them, we're gonna have to modify one of them just so it could fit on the amp. So that's what we're doing now.
Oh shit.
You good?
How do you move it forward or back?
Like rewind. Oh, like that, right? All right.
For that signal wire, this little thing back, and if you look right there, I placed it with, oh, it's kind of bright, but the accessory right there where my thumb's at, it's a 7.5. Pull it out, shove it in there, and put the 7.5 sideways, and that's what gives the amp signal when you turn the key. That way it doesn't drain your battery.
All right, we're over here. Jose just cleaned up this little spot right here, so we put the ground there. We didn't want to put it there because there's already a lot of ground, so I don't know. We just put it in a new spot, so that's where it is. Run it through here. We're gonna hook it up and test everything out.
Hopefully we don't catch on fire.
So now we're going to be getting close to where we're going to need that speaker now. Chancy pants. We need that speaker.
I'm going to try it out.
You want to try it out, curry fingers?
Oh, so it is hooked up. Oh, that's what you mean.
See, you're gonna hook up the meatloaf.
Did you hook up the meatloaf?
I just want you to yank that over the side of his head.
Yank?
Just fucking hit him as hard as you can.
He's always solid.
Hit yourself over the side of the head with that. Okay.
That's a heavy ass speaker.
Matter of fact, jump off that ladder.
Alright, now we need those other speaker wires that you had earlier.
They're right there.
You wanted this?
Yeah, these are thick too.
You gotta connect that to the speaker.
Yeah, you don't know that?
The speaker?
You gotta connect that to the speaker and the speaker.
You have those clippers?
Let me have? I mean, they're yours, not mine.
This right here. Was there another one of those adapters?
Negative.
That's what I'm saying. It would've burned.
We only use
We need one for the front. To the battery.
Really?
Oh, we gotta run over.
Yeah, we still gotta cut
Did
it.
the dog really get run over?
No. We still gotta cut it.
Yeah.
Put the fuse in between.
Oh yeah, huh? Fuck.
That's all easy though.
Is that what that shit's for?
Yeah.
I never knew what that tool was for. What?
For now, we'll just do one, then we'll loop it after. Just make sure it works. You know, normally you loop it, but we're not looping it yet because we want to make sure it works.
We're not lubing it yet.
We're not looping it.
Right? We're not lubing up the speaker yet, right?
The speaker, yeah.
Yeah, we're not lubing it up yet, right?
So we're just testing it.
That's not how you do that.
No?
I just always pull them apart. I never. You know? You should put that song on while we're doing this. That.
Never, ever.
It was Tim's car. Remember Tim's car when I welded that nut that was like stuck in there, and then we did it. And we started playing the Dora song.
The video of fucking CJ when I was like, this guy fell out of the TL game. How long?
That made him butthurt, and now it's posted on YouTube. Poor guy.
That shit was funny. His face during the whole thing. He was trying to fucking cap on Tim, and then that's when he pulled up the Pacific. I was like, damn, this guy pulled up.
It's just the front now. I can't fucking.
What can I do?
Break it. I'm just trying to be careful not break it. Pop it off.
Really? You had to took it off?
No, I didn't take it off all the way.
How much monkeys does it take to take off a cap?
I just don't want to crack it, and then now that thing's pointless, you know.
This is where the song comes in.
Have you guys ever seen Mystic without a hat on?
Whoa!
What's up with that? Why is there a rubber thing in there?
I don't know.
This guy looks like the guy from the liquor store without the hat on.
Bro, we went to AutoZone to get the battery for that car actually, like 6-7 months ago, and we're in there looking at the batteries, and boot jumping guy walks up, goes straight to him and starts talking to him in his language, asking him where something was at in the store, electrical tape or something. And then right after he goes, oh, I don't speak that language. The guy goes, oh, where's the electrical tape? Clear as day. But came up to him to speak that language. I'm like, see, I'm not the only one that says he looks
They
like
can
that.
take this out. Run cars, break it. Work on cars, fix it. Work on
No,
cars,
we work on
fix it.
cars. Well, we get high so that way we forget to tighten the bolts, so we double check everything before we finish.
What do you guys think about what he just said?
You know? Here, give me a hand. Hold the thing.
Give you head?
Give me a hand. Give me a.
I'm all in.
Hold this? Oh, got it. Instant, just smash my finger.
Take it off. This tool's so cool.
Oh, where's the rubber thing? You try to put it on?
What rubber thing? Oh yeah.
What you did, bro?
Yeah, we gotta work.
That I figured out?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's go show him.
Tell them what was like we were having no audio.
What possibly couldn't go wrong went wrong.
So, if you look, that black dot right here, the solid black dot, solid red dot. Well, Mr. Mythic over here had it on the solid black with the dot red. Just like that one has a dot. One's for 2 ohms, one's for 1 ohms or something like that, but that's what it was.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous.